Let's learn English through daily conversations. Today's topic is green lifestyle at the office. Are you ready? Let's get started. Bringing Lunchbox.
It's lunchtime. Take some rest and have your lunch.
Sure, boss. I will have lunch right after I finish this task.
Oh, your food smells so good. Is that home-cooked food?
Yes, I brought my lunchbox today. I'm avoiding the mess from all those plastic bags.
Oh, I have heard about it on the news. Lunchbox can help reduce the use of what-time plastic bags.
Well, it's a win-win, right? I save the planet and look super organized while doing it.
Maybe I should follow your example, but I've got to admit, I love the convenience of buying or ordering food instead of preparing it the night before.
Haha, I get it, but think about all the plastic we use every day. A reusable lunchbox can really make a difference.
I guess you're right. Okay, I'll give it a try tomorrow. But can I still bring my sandwich in plastic wrap?
No plastic wrap, my friend. Just put your sandwich in the lunchbox too.
Sounds like a lot of cleaning.
You'll survive, and you'll feel like a hero for saving the world. One sandwich at a time.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Lunchbox. A container used to carry lunch, often made of plastic or metal. Plastic wrap. A thin, clear film of plastic used to wrap food.
Eco-life.
A lifestyle that focuses on protecting the environment, such as reducing waste. Your listening question is, what does the director suggest the employee should do to reduce plastic waste? Answer. She suggests using a reusable lunchbox and avoiding plastic wrap. Sorting trash.
Hey Tom, wait a second. Did you just throw a banana peel into the plastic bin?
Oh really? I thought we throw rubbish in the bin. Isn't that how it works?
Nope, we have separate bins now. Didn't you read the signs?
Oh, I guess I missed that memo. So what goes where?
Blue is for paper, yellow is for plastic, and green is for organic waste.
So the banana peel should go in the green one?
Exactly. That way it can be turned into compost.
Compost? Like dirt?
Kind of. It's natural fertilizer, good for plants.
That's cool. I didn't realize my lunch leftovers could help.
Every little thing helps. Imagine if everyone sorted their trash correctly.
You're right. I'll try to do better.
Great! Now go rescue that banana peel.
Hold on. Are you telling me that I have to stick my hand into that bin? No way!
Let's look at the vocabulary. Peel. The skin of a fruit or vegetable. Organic waste. Food or garden waste that can be turned into compost. Bin. A container for putting trash or recycling. Your listening question is, Where should the banana peel go? Answer. The banana peel should go in the green bin for organic waste. Don't overuse the air conditioner.
Hey bro, do you feel a little cold in here?
Oh yes, I thought everyone was feeling fine.
Oh my, I'm freezing. My fingers are turning blue.
Hey, don't overreact. Your fingers are fine.
But yeah, I think we should turn the air conditioner down.
I agree. It's like working inside a fridge.
I know the air conditioner is a hero for hot summer days, but at this rate, I believe I may get sick due to it.
Same here. Last week I sneezed for 3 days.
No wonder, you were sitting right under the AC.
And I was there thinking you had high resistance to cold.
Also, we are saving electricity this way. The AC needs a lot of power, you know.
Instead, I think we should open the windows more often.
Good idea. Fresh air is better than robot wind.
Ha! Robot Wind sounds like a new movie title.
Coming soon, Attack on the Freezing Office.
Seriously though, let's tell the manager today.
I seriously think we should cut down on the use of AC for both our and the Earth's health.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Freezing. Very cold, feeling like ice. Air conditioner. A machine that makes the air cooler. Sneeze. Made a sudden sound when air comes out of your nose. Your listening question is, why do the two employees want to turn down the air conditioner? Answer. Because the office is too cold and it makes them sick. Turn off the computer.
Oh no, Sarah. Your computer was still on when I came in this morning. The screen was glowing very brightly.
What? Seriously? I thought I shut it down before I left yesterday. Ugh, that's so embarrassing.
Not only was it on, but your spreadsheet was still open. It looked like your computer was working overtime.
Haha, maybe it didn't want to stop working. Too bad it doesn't get paid.
Haha, you should be more careful next time, you know. It wastes electricity, and your poor computer needs a break too.
Yeah, sorry about that. Thank you for letting me know. Next time, I'll even set a daily reminder on my phone.
That's what I like to hear. Just use extra help, and boom, problem solved.
Yep, save power, save the planet, and save my reputation at the same time.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Computer. A machine used for work, the internet, and writing. Shut down. To turn off a computer. Screen. The part of a computer you look at. Your listening question is,
How will Sarah remind herself to turn off the computer?
answer.
She will set a daily reminder on her phone.
Let's have more office plants.
Good afternoon, Miss Anna. I noticed a new plant on your desk this morning. It looks so lovely and fresh.
Oh, you saw Mr. Leafy. That's what I call him. He's been my little green friend for 3 days now. He helps a lot during all those stressful meetings.
That's so cute. I read that having plants around can really improve your mood and concentration.
Absolutely. Plus, they bring a natural touch to the workspace.
Haha. Wise words. Honestly, our whole floor could use some green life.
That's an interesting idea. It might even build some team spirit, you know. Taking care of something together brings people closer.
Exactly. Plus, I heard spider plants and snake plants are great for air purification.
That's true, and they're low maintenance, which is perfect because I can barely remember to water mine once a week.
Haha. Don't worry. I'm sure Mr. Leafy forgives you. It still looks so lively.
I'm actually planning to decorate small space where employees can relax, surrounded by plants and maybe even a comfy chair or two.
Yes, I could make a short proposal and share it in next week's team meeting.
I count on you for this. Then, if we're going to spend most of our lives at work, it might as well feel alive and pretty.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Plant. A living thing that grows in soil and has leaves and roots. Fresh. Clean, cool, and pleasant, often used to talk about air. Stress. A feeling of worry or pressure from work or problems. Your listening question is, what does the manager suggest about the plants? Answer. She suggests building a corner for green plants and relaxation. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.